unboxing for real. That's how we do the braids. So I don't really show you guys this part of the video, but I literally just got home, and it's for sure a real unboxing. Show my addressing anywhere. That big old 12.5 cool gray. Look at that nice size.
Early. Now let's get right into the video. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and we got a special video for you guys. Based off the title, based off the thumbnail, you already know what I'm about to show you guys. You see the sneaker, you see the title, you see everything. I gotta let me see if I can still find my got 'em picture. I'm gonna post it for you guys. If I still do, y'all see it later on in the video. But if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We got heat like this, and sometimes we have premature, some heat, some not, whatever you want to call it. But yes, this is what you would see on this channel. I'm always trying to get heat for you guys, but also for myself. Sometimes it's personal, sometimes I resell, and that's what you're gonna get on this channel. We're on our way to 400 plus subs, so if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, as well as click the like button, comment whatever you want, because I also respond to all my comments. So let's get right into the video. We got a special one here. I do want to see them for the first time myself in person. Let's get right into it. Oh yeah, hit the links down below in the description. Follow me on Instagram, as well as hit the main channel. You can check that out. Both the links will be down in the description. And let's get right into it. So off rip, like I did in the intro, that nice glossy 11 box for the cool grays. Typical bottom, you know, the swoosh, the Nike logo, the check logo, Air Soul Jumpman, all that good stuff on the box, the Nike on the side. By the way, this 12.5 I already sold, but oh man, mind you, maybe if I get a big cook the day it drops, December 11th coming soon, I'll probably compare them. But right now, there's too much going on. I don't want to compare my 2009, 2011, whichever cool grays came out before. If you watch my Jordan 11 collection, you'll see my cool grays in there. But let's see the 2021 version. Okay, so I definitely see the difference already. Two things. Why the hell they brought these fucking wooden gray shits for these? Like, come on, even the old ones. I have the, what's the name, the patent leather cool gray colorway. That's the year they were dropping every colorway with the shoes, the Space Jams, the cool grays, Concords, all of that. But wow, let's look at the thumbnail. Let's get this thumbnail real quick for you guys. Boom. 12.5 money size right here. Oh lordy lord. So besides them doing that with the insides thing to protect your sneakers, one thing I could say is this is definitely I would say, I don't know if it's better, it's based off opinion, based off what you like. You might like the older version, the new buck type of deal, but this is that real suede and leather right here. I don't know if it's supposed to be relatable to the OG colorway, but I just ate something stuck in my tooth. Some rice. But wow. Since it's such a legendary shoe, you guys already, if you're watching this, you already know what it looks like. That's literally the only difference on this shoe based off the 2011, whichever year that came out. Like I said, if I do a big cook the day I cop more of these, then I'll do a comparison. Or if I'm not too lazy, I'll do a comparison. But this is literally a beautiful shoe. Everything is literally the same. The bottom, of course, you got that checkerboard right here for the 11s. Icy bottom, real icy bottom. Wow. Mind you, when I got my cool grays, I think I had to camp back in the day when they did camping, and I camped at Champs or I camped at Models. I think it was Modell's, because they was giving out tickets overnight. And I got my pair. My original pair, the one flaw by my OG pair is obviously through time, 10 plus years, this got a little whitening on the side. But also one thing I learned about my patent leather part is one, I think the left or the right shoe has like a slice on, like someone like cut it. So like you can't clean a cut. You get what I'm saying? It looked, maybe someone stepped on it, or maybe like there was a nail when I was in school and it probably just scraped it, and like that's the one flaw about mine. With this legendary shoe, I am gonna double up, meaning I am gonna get my size, even though I'm gonna have the OG ones. But definitely, this is probably the most hype shoe this year. Well, and if you really want to compare as hot shoe, to my opinion, this isn't the hottest shoe of the year. This is probably the second, because yes, the material here is crazy. I can't front. They definitely did their thing with these cool grades. There's no way this cool grade breaks compared to the Jubilees. Certain sizes went down, but yeah, this is a beautiful shoe right here. To me, based off the new suede on here, comparing it to the old ones I have, I think this is better. I'm a fan of this better suede. I like this better than the new one. I mean, the old ones. So definitely, I'm copping my personal size. Yeah, I didn't really care about doing the shock drop when they dropped it to get my size. I want money, so I'd rather get something that's going to be, you know, I could get it. And then, you know, I'll make the most profit now. And then when it drops, because it's going to break when the day it comes, the week it comes, shock drops. They're going to have a whole bunch of stock of these. They're saying there's supposed to be 1 million pairs of these. Trust me, if you're watching this right now and you have capital, invest in these. This is one of the shoes that I'm for sure going all out, meaning I'm getting paid for my job. Any quick brick flips I could sell to get extra money, I'm gonna do it because I want to get these. I'm gonna try to get as much as pairs as I can, big sizes only. But if you want a personal, get your true size. Obviously, like I'm a 9.5 in these, so I'm gonna definitely get me a 9.5. Trust me, you guys that have been watching my videos for this whole year, yeah, I know I do big cooks when I want to, or I need to, or I demand to. But, yeah, 12.5 right here. Like I said, it already sold. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. Did you take a L or W when it dropped last week as the shock drop? Let me know if you're going after these when they drop. So, the video cut off because I'm running out of storage. But, let's get this video wrapped up. Like I said, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Like this video, comment, respond to all my comments. Follow me on Instagram, ladies. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Let me know. Did you take the L or W? Are you most hyped for this? Or are you more hyped for the patent leather band ones that's coming out, I think, at the end of the month of December? It's going to be a crazy, crazy holiday. So get your money right, get your capital right, and we going crazy. Cool Gray 11s. Let's get it. I'm waiting for December. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy's out, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace the fuck out.